Hello everyone, Abigail Gonzales here, giving you some information about your Unit 2, Real Property and the Law. So one of the things that you're going to have to make sure you recognize immediately in the business is understanding the difference between personal property and real property. You're also going to want to make sure that you understand what actually is going to convey in that contract. Now, whether again you're in a leasing agreement type situation or you're in an offer to purchase type situation, you want to make sure you understand terms like appurtenances. You want to make sure you understand the bundle of legal rights. What is chattel or emblements, fixtures, improvements. All of these key terms are going to be identified in your Unit 2. And so the idea that you're going to read this information in your literature and have questions is very probable. So you can call me. I'll definitely help you with any questions you might have. We can set up a one-on-one, or of course you can always email me. But it's really important to understand what are the rights that come with that specific piece of property. Are there air rights, water rights, land rights, surface rights, subsurface rights? What does that look like? And then making sure that you can identify the most important pieces to a potential owner and or tenant as to how they can use that property, right? So going over those bundle of legal rights, which are going to be possession, control, enjoyment, exclusion, and disposition. So really being able to identify not only the terms, but how they actually relate to that specific experience. So we're also going to go into pieces of information when it comes to when a person maybe purchases a mobile home. Well, what makes it a mobile home versus a manufactured home? And is it considered real property? Is it considered real estate? So going over those specific details is going to be important to you. Another piece in this Unit 2, Real Property in the Law, that you're going to want to consider is what are the things that are going to transfer? What's going to convey? Are there going to be plants, trees, emblements, fixtures? These specific situations have specific definitions, and of course depending on the method of attachment, or is it meant to be permanent, appurtenance, how does that affect the transaction? You're also going to talk about commercial real estate, in that sometimes people lease a property to conduct their business. Well, does that business come with trade fixtures? Well, what are trade fixtures? Are these fixtures that the business owner would have to purchase and secure for their use during their ownership of that business and the renting of the space to conduct their business? Yes. So again, all of these different situations are definitely relatable. However, when you read the information, it'll just make it a lot clearer. But if it doesn't, you can always reach out and I'll be here to support you.